guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a video in which I'm going to be altering all of my clothes, or more specifically all of these clothes. I have a couple of things already here and I'm also going to be thrifting on Monday. Today's Saturday, so I'm going to probably find some more that I'm going to be altering to my size, but let's start with these ones. I think I'm going to start with this one because it's super fun and it's from my mom. I think it's from the 70s or 80s and it's super fun. It's just the fit is not very flattering, so let's put it on. This is what it looks like right now. So I realized that the problem with this top for me is that it's short sleeved, because in this short sleeved form it's not really my style with the polo neck. So I think I'm going to crop it because there is quite a lot of fabric down here that I could use for the sleeves. Maybe it will be enough to do like 3/4 of a sleeve, you know, and then maybe do the rest with the different fabric that I have here. I will have to see what I have, but I think I will just go with the flow, and like as I crop it I will see how much fabric I have left. I hope it works, but yeah, so I will put it on, reverse, and then pin it. Finally, I haven't been sewing in like a month or so, so I have to get back into the habit of it. Starting with the bust. I pinned the wrong way. That's such a beginner's thing to do. Now I'm just going to cut it where I pinned it. Okay, the crop is good. It's like right where I wanted it to be. I still have a little bit of space to do the seam, obviously. And it's just a little tighter, but still super comfortable, and there's still some space. I might even pull it in further down here, but we'll see, we'll see. Up here it's really good. You can obviously see the fabric, that's like too much fabric underneath here, so now that I know that it fits, I can actually cut that off. Nice. Okay, obviously the sleeve part I will have to do in a geometric way. Wait, my sister's calling me. Hi! To add any other fabric because it ended up being just enough. The seams aren't finished yet, but I kind of like them the way that they are. And it seems that it won't undo itself. So for now, I'm just going to leave it without the seams. But yeah, I really like the way that it came out. It was just enough fabric. This is the amount of fabric that I have left over. So yeah, it was just enough. And I think it's so much cuter now. It's something that I will actually wear. It's like tight on the arms, but then a little bit looser and more interesting through the collar. And it is really fun. I love the pattern. I loved it anyways, but I didn't like the cut. So yeah, very happy with the result. I'm really happy with the first top, and I'm determined to get at least one other item done today. It got dark, and when it gets dark, my body is in sleeping mode already, but I'm gonna do one other item. I decided to do this shirt next, and I think I'm going to leave everything as is in the sleeves and up here, at least for now. We'll see when I did the trim if I need to change something, if I have to take everything in, but the most important part is to cut it, to just make it shorter, and then I definitely want to add slits. Not just a slit, but to actually sew a curved slit in both sides, because I feel like that just exposes a little bit more of the shape that a body has, and it's just, I think it looks a lot better. So let's pin it where I want to cut it. Tuesday, so it has been 2 days. Yesterday I went to a thrift store, but I didn't find anything, and I was trying to be strict with myself because I just got rid of a bunch of clothes. Why should I buy a bunch of new clothes if I'm not 100% excited about them? So I'm just going to continue altering the clothes that I have, and I found 2 more pieces that I want to alter. One is this vintage sweater that I also found at a thrift store. I just really liked this little pattern that it had, and I like the green, though I'm not really sure that this color is like looks good on me, because it's a little too pale. Like, it makes me look even more pale. But anyways, it's a little too long, so I just want to alter the length of it. And then I have these pants that, if you've watched my making my holiday outfits videos, you have seen these pants already. Those are like the white linen pants, and I just have to alter them again because I just somehow made them a little too tight last time, and so it was just not comfortable anymore. Like, yes, they fit me, but I needed to still have some room for me to sit down, to eat a big meal, you know, so I'm going to alter these as well. Okay, I think that's good. Actually, I just need to kind of take it in a little bit right here because it makes this weird shape. Okay, I just realized that it has the seam tucked over the seam that I actually want to take in. So I'm going to have to take all of this off and then take the whole thing in to make it clean. The legs are fixed, however it is too loose in the back, like the typical problem. So I will have to take apart just a little bit of this part and the waistband as well, because if I just take it inside, it's going to be super thick in here, and I think my sewing machine, first of all, is going to suffer a lot, and also it's just not going to look as clean. So yeah, I have to take it apart. Again, this is the most important tool. Here's what it looks like now. It's just open. I think they fit really well. There's still a little bit of space here, so I could even take it in further. Ended up taking it in even further just because I wanted it to really fit well, and now it's snug and pretty perfect, I would say. One more seating test. Next up we have the sweater, and as you can tell, again, it hits me right where I'm the widest, and I don't know why they do that. Why do they make sweaters like this? This is such an awful fit. But anyways, I wanted to sit a little bit lower than my belly button, so I want the tube to basically start where my belly button is. So right here, I'm just going to put a pin in it. That I want it round like that. So I'm basically going to do the opposite shape. Okay, the tube is off. It's still loose, it's still chill, but it's just not as huge, and it hits me in my waist, which I prefer 1,000 times over my hips. It's snowing. Looks so pretty. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Maybe you are also altering some of your clothes. I think it makes such a big difference because it just fits your body right and not just some generic body that it was made for. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.